ready? Start it up. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Shaq.
What's up? It's your boy Lad.
Today we about to go on this little food run. Alright, Joel, so let them know where we're going to today, man.
So
what's
we're
on the
actually
menu today?
going to Macchina NYC. We got burgers. We got, little macaroni shish kebab, just pasta. We got grilled cheese dipped in buffalo sauce. We got eggs and guacamole.
Wait, zoom in on the egg pizza?
Ooh. Oh
yeah.
Look at that.
That's good eats.
Look at that yolk. Ooh.
Yes, sir.
I know that's gonna turn a few of y'all on.
Alright, easy, guy. Wait, what is that?
Ooh, macaroni cheese balls.
That's good. Pause. That's good eats. That's good.
Oh, y'all never heard of garlic knots with the chicken in between?
You said garlic knots?
Ooh, garlic knots.
Yeah.
Hey.
Time to get some eats. So before we even got to the spot, I just figured let's just get some reviews. Because what other way is better than to ask the people of New York if they've been there? I mean, they live there, right? So we went and we made an attempt at getting some street reviews.
Have you guys heard of, what is it, Macchina? No? Okay. Well, how was the food place that you were at?
I don't know if it's called Asian Noodle, but it's up there on your right.
Okay, great.
There.
All right, well, thank you very much. Okay. Have a good Sunday. So we're doing a food vlog in around here. We're from Jersey. Okay. Do you have any recommendations?
What, any kind of food?
Yeah, any kind of food.
Well, I just walked out of Marty's. I'm a vegan.
Oh, you're vegan. You know what's crazy? I've been trying to be vegan, but I don't know. I get hungry without like meat, fish, whatever. So how's that going for you?
I mean, 3 years and it's worked out great for me. I can't complain. Nah, I've never heard of that.
Italian type of restaurant. We're gonna check that out.
Okay. Word.
Well, we appreciate your input. All right, have a good Sunday. All right, so we're from New Jersey actually, and we came to New York to do a food vlog and try to get some Yelp reviews on food spots around here. So what's your favorite food spot around here?
I don't eat around here. I just work around here.
Do you know any dope spots though, like in New York, period?
Nah, not like that.
Nah. All right, well, thank you for your time. Can I ask you guys a question? Have you guys heard of Macchina's, the food place up the street?
No.
I don't think so. So we're actually from New Jersey. We're doing a food vlog. So we just want to get some Yelp reviews about the food places around here. Okay. Like, what are your favorite food places around here?
Well,
We
we're
like
gonna go.
street taco.
Yeah, street taco.
Street
really
taco.
Good.
Yeah.
I actually seen that on the way walking over here.
It's like, it's right there.
Okay, what is that like? It's not like a Taco Bell, right?
No.
Okay,
It's sit
okay.
down.
They have
it's
a
nice.
bunch of fancy tacos. They have like an ahi tuna taco and a
Ahi
crispy
tuna.
shell that's really killer.
Wow, I think I might have to try that.
You should.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Okay, so yeah, we made an attempt at getting the reviews. We just figured, you know what? It just might be better if we just go in person and check it out. Oh yeah, you know what's up. So we getting ready to devour that. It's very crunchy.
Moist inside, crunchy on the outside. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. Dang, we need some more sauce, man.
You just fucking downed all the sauce.
No, man, listen. When you're getting the cheese balls, you gotta get the sauce. You gotta get the sauce.
What do you think is in the sauce?
It's like, the sauce is like, just like a little bit of mayonnaise. A little bit of oregano and ketchup, maybe?
Ketchup.
I don't know. It tastes a little bit like ketchup, right? No?
And now he just saying stuff. It don't taste like ketchup.
Perfect.
Maybe a little bit of mayonnaise, honey mustard.
I think got some ketchup mixed in there.
Ketchup. I did those.
Alright, so like, what do you think of the cheese balls? Pause.
I think that it tastes very fried. You know, I taste the crunchiness, and the inside is very milky and moist.
Pause.
You know, super pause. We're gonna have to say pause like through this whole duration of this vlog, but yeah.
It's all good, man. Don't spit in my food, man.
This is actually my cheat day. So every Sunday is my cheat day. And this song is satisfying. Like it reminds me of, you know, in
Very
Lion
satisfying.
King. In Lion King when Simba met Timon and Pumbaa and they started eating bugs and stuff like that, and it was like
At this moment, all I was thinking about was, whose
crunchy,
hands is this?
but slimy. And
Did he really just compare it to the
satisfying.
Puma snacks? Bruh.
So that's how I felt. Okay.
So what exactly is a burrata pizza?
So burrata pizza is, well, to begin with, burrata it's a type of cheese that is handmade. So we basically take mozzarella curd and we stretch it with hot water until it's silky smooth. Then we make little pouches with that mozzarella curd. And inside of the pouches, we make a mixture of more mozzarella curd, cream, milk, and salt. So it's basically a bag of cheese with cheese on it.
And the thing is, I really love cheese, so
You can't go wrong with that. And this particular pizza here is it's a white pie with mozzarella and ricotta cheese, little garlic oil, and then we put the burrata on top with the kelp pesto on it and black Hawaiian sea salt and red Hawaiian sea salt as well.
nice.
So it should make for a tasty treat.
There we go.
All right, enjoy, fellas.
All right, thank you so much.
Cheers.
Whoa. What are you doing? Man, is this? Oh yeah. This is worth the trip. Which is this? It's like mozzarella cheese with, what kind of sauce is this? I don't know what you said. It's like cheesy, but not too cheesy, but just enough cheese. It's just, watch that water, man. I don't need no backwash on my pizza. This guy.
The best part is the crust.
Finely seasoned. This is what you call too much sauce.
This is Eclectic Projections.
This is how you clean your teeth afterwards.
It's disgusting. Good old New York tap. Just like Mama used to make. Alright, so we officially destroyed this Burrata Pizza, man. Rest in peace, this Burrata Pizza. Rest in peace to the six-pack, bro. Oh, he got a food belly. Ew. Food baby, my bad. To be honest, I'm getting itis right now. What about you, man? I feel like I'm falling asleep. My boy is stuck on his words.
I gotta run to the bathroom. All that cheese.
That is disgusting, man. Yeah. I took my boy to the pizza, man, and he's lactose intolerant. Poor guy. Burrata Pizza, 5-star. Yes, sir. Alright, so yeah, I mean, if you really like Italian food, you like pizza, you like cheese, pull up to Macchina. Pull up to Macchina, bro.
I'm not gonna front all that cheese is like messing with my digestive system.
He's
right
lactose intolerant, but it's all good, man. Like, yeah, it was an experience. It's nice in the cut. It's low key and it's very good. The owner's real cool.
You could bring your significant other there.
Yeah, definitely check out the wine if you got there. I mean, I ain't tried it out, but definitely check it out. They got a lot of things going on, and yeah, I mean, I'm gonna give it a nice little 4.5, man. All right, y'all. If you guys want us to review more spots, definitely drop it in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. Drop every spot that you want us to check out in New York, New Jersey, some in Philly.
We actually came across this taco spot.
Yeah.
Tacos.
I forgot what it was called, but it's definitely official. But yeah, in the comments below, just drop all the food spots. I'm pulling up to every spot. I'm a big foodie. I'm fat. He's on a diet. Don't worry about it. But we're definitely here for the good eats.